ORCA motors are suitable for many industrial applications, including ones that require aggressive motions with higher loads or duty cycles. Because of their all-in-one design and repeatability, ORCAs are ideal for applications like high-load cycling, cobots, and testing rigs that require aggressive oscillations. As with most linear actuators, cooling must be taken into account in order to avoid the motor overheating and to maintain consistent performance. Because of the intuitive design of the ORCA motor's chassis, mounting cooling fans is one of the simplest and most efficient ways to cool an ORCA motor. Mounting cooling fans onto the exterior of an ORCA motor is very straightforward. The cooling fins extruded onto the motor housings include M4 slots on both sides that allow 60mm by 60mm fans to be mounted along the length of the fins. It's recommended to insert 5mm spacers between the motor chassis and the fan for increased airflow. The appropriate length of M4 screw will vary with the thickness of the fan. With a single fan, the optimal placement is directly in the center of the chassis. To learn more about the thermal properties of ORCA motors or the possibilities of mounting accessories to an ORCA chassis, visit our website or send us a message.